Hello Yasiri team, my name is Corley Opperman and I'm the founder of Crackerjack, an EdTech app poised to transform exam preparation for South African learners. I'm here today because I believe there's a powerful alignment between my vision for Crackerjack and your mission to foster impactful African leaders. Crackerjack provides customized CAPS curriculum practice tests for grades 4 to 7, and our innovation lies in our proprietary hybrid AI approach, which combines advanced coding with AI prompting. This isn't just about generating questions, but it crucially ensures that every test includes correct visual diagrams, a critical differentiator in educational content. We're launching with mathematics, social sciences, physical sciences, Afrikaans and English, all fully bilingual and ready for end of August. We've made significant progress. We have a fully finished and working prototype, readily available for review. Building on this is our comprehensive MVP, our minimum viable product, which is in active development at the moment and on track for release at end of August on both the Apple, the iOS, and also the Android platforms. Crucially, our pre-launch campaign successfully validated market demand, attracting 410 interested parents and educators, proving a clear appetite for Crackerjack upon launch. Now, this precise moment is why Yasiri is crucial. We require 200,000 Rand specifically to finalize the MVP development and pay our developer, Brunel Studios. This investment will deliver a fully revenue-generating product by the end of August. And beyond this immediate need, Yasiri's strategic support, mentorship and network will provide the crucial operational runway for initial marketing and overheads during our 4 to 6 months, empowering us to focus entirely on user acquisition and growth. I believe I am a good fit and a strong fit for Yasiri because my journey as a founder, balancing building this app and raising my 3 children, has instilled immense resilience. I've persevered through challenges like starting other businesses, and my graphic design past put me on the right course to support this app. My passion for solving real problems for South African families, combined with our advanced development stage and clear market validation, positions Crackerjack for impactful growth. I'm eager to learn, contribute, and grow as a leader in your community. Thank you for the opportunity.